You can find this problem on page 232 in your book. It is similar to example 1 on that page. The first thing you need to do is set up your division problem by putting the very first number on the inside and your second number on the outside. So I have 7.5 divided by 3. The next step is to directly put up above the decimal to the top where your answer is going to appear. So your decimal point needs to go directly above. Then you can continue by dividing. Can the number 3 go into 7? Yep. I know that 3 times 2 is 6. So I'm going to put the 2 up on top, 6 down there, and I subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. My next step, as you know already, is to bring down the 5. How many times can 3 go into 15? I know that 3 times 5 is exactly 15, which means I am left with the 0, no numbers to bring down. My answer then is 2.5. This next problem can be found on page 233 in your book. You need to start by putting the very first number on the inside of your division symbol. The second number goes on the outside. We then need to concentrate on where the decimal point goes. We need to move that decimal point up into the answer at the top. At this point, we can forget about the decimal point and now begin dividing. Can the number 15 go into 9? No. But I do know that if I add on the 4, I can figure out how many times can 15 go into 94. I'm going to go off to the side and try some numbers. 15 times 5, I'm over here doing multiplication, is 75. You know what? I'm going to try one more higher. Let's try 6. That is 90. Guess what? I think that's as close to 94 as I'm going to get. So I'm going to put the 6 up top. 6 times 15 is 90. So I'm going to now subtract 90. 4 minus 0 is 4. 9 minus 9 is nothing. Bring down the 8. I'm going to go over to the side again and try 15 times, let's try 3. That is 45. Boy, that's pretty close. So I'm going to put 3 up top, subtract 45. Oops, I made a mistake. I'm going to need to erase here. 45. 8 minus 5 is 3, and 4 minus 4 is nothing. Now, in elementary school, you were able to put down remainder 3. But we're not in elementary school anymore. So from now on, there's no more such thing as a remainder. What we need to do is finish the problem. And we can do that by adding a 0 here and bringing the 0 down. I'm going to continue dividing. How many times can 15 go into 30? I bet exactly 2 times. 2 times 15 is 30. Now I'm left with nothing, no more numbers to bring down, so my final answer is 0.632. I challenge you now to go to page 234 and try problem number 1 on your own. Good luck. Remember, you can always re-watch the video if you need to. Again, the color for today is orange.